Cave biology is a fascinating field that explores the unique ecosystems hidden beneath the Earth's surface. Did you know that there are over 100,000 caves documented worldwide, with many more waiting to be discovered? These caves vary in size, depth, and formation, creating a diverse range of habitats for specialized organisms. In fact, it is estimated that less than 1% of cave systems have been explored, leaving a vast frontier for scientific exploration. The intricate networks of passages and chambers within caves provide shelter and resources for a wide array of species, from tiny insects to large mammals. One of the most intriguing aspects of cave biology is the incredible adaptations that organisms have developed to survive in these dark and often nutrient-poor environments. Some cave-dwelling species have evolved unique traits such as loss of pigmentation, enhanced sensory organs, and elongated appendages to navigate the challenging terrain. These adaptations showcase the remarkable resilience and ingenuity of life in the most unexpected places. As scientists delve deeper into the study of cave biology, they uncover hidden treasures of biodiversity and evolutionary marvels. The interconnected nature of cave ecosystems highlights the delicate balance that exists underground, where even the smallest disturbance can have far-reaching consequences. By understanding the complex interactions within cave ecosystems, researchers can gain valuable insights into broader ecological principles and conservation strategies. The exploration of cave biology not only expands our knowledge of the natural world, but also underscores the importance of preserving these fragile and often overlooked environments for future generations. Cave ecosystems are not just random underground spaces. They are intricately formed over thousands, even millions of years through a combination of geological processes. One of the most common types of caves is limestone caves, which are created by the dissolution of limestone rock by acidic groundwater. This slow but steady process carves out intricate passageways, chambers, and formations that provide the foundation for diverse ecosystems. In fact, limestone caves account for a significant portion of the world's cave systems, with notable examples such as Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, USA, which spans over 400 miles in length. Another fascinating type of cave formation is lava tubes, which are created when flowing lava cools and solidifies on the outer edges while molten lava continues to flow within, eventually draining out and leaving behind hollow tunnels. These lava tubes can stretch for miles underground and provide shelter for unique species adapted to extreme conditions. One of the largest lava tube systems in the world is the Kazumura Cave in Hawaii, measuring over 40 miles in length. Additionally, ice caves form in glaciers or ice sheets when meltwater carves out passages within the ice, creating a surreal environment of translucent walls and ceilings. The Eisriesenwelt Ice Cave in Austria is one of the largest ice caves globally, with chambers reaching heights of over 60 meters. Other types of caves, such as sea caves and solution caves, are shaped by the erosive forces of water, whether from ocean waves or underground streams. These caves often exhibit distinctive features like sea arches and stalactites, showcasing the dynamic interplay between water and rock over time. The formation of cave ecosystems is a testament to the transformative power of geological processes, sculpting underground landscapes that harbor a wealth of biodiversity. As we unravel the mysteries of cave formation, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate beauty and complexity of these hidden worlds. Cave-dwelling organisms have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in the challenging environments of caves. One of the most intriguing adaptations is the loss of pigmentation, commonly observed in cave-dwelling species. Without the need for camouflage or protection from UV radiation, these organisms have shed their colorful pigments, resulting in a pale or translucent appearance. This lack of pigmentation is not just a cosmetic change. It is a strategic adaptation to conserve energy in the absence of light. In fact, over 90% of cave-dwelling species exhibit some form of depigmentation, highlighting the widespread nature of this adaptation. Another fascinating adaptation seen in cave organisms is the development of enhanced sensory organs. In the perpetual darkness of caves, eyesight becomes obsolete, leading to the evolution of alternative sensory mechanisms. Many cave-dwelling species have evolved heightened senses of touch, taste, and smell to navigate their lightless world. For example, cave-dwelling fish often possess highly sensitive lateral lines that detect subtle water movements and vibrations, allowing them to navigate through dark waters with precision. Additionally, some cave-dwelling insects have evolved elongated antennae or specialized chemoreceptors to locate food sources and mates in the absence of visual cues. These sensory adaptations showcase the incredible versatility of organisms in adapting to extreme environments. In terms of numbers, it is estimated that there are over 200 species of cave-dwelling fish worldwide, with unique adaptations such as reduced eyes or complete eye loss. These fish have adapted to rely on other senses, such as electroreception, to navigate the dark waters of caves. Furthermore, cave-dwelling arthropods, including beetles and spiders, account for a significant portion of cave biodiversity, with over 8,000 described species. These arthropods have evolved specialized appendages and chemosensory organs to thrive in the nutrient-poor and often harsh conditions of caves. The diversity and complexity of adaptations seen in cave-dwelling organisms underscore the resilience and ingenuity of life in the most challenging environments on Earth. Caves come in various forms, each with its unique characteristics and environments. One common type of cave is a solution cave, formed in soluble rocks such as limestone, gypsum, or salt. These caves are created through the chemical dissolution of the rock by acidic groundwater, resulting in intricate passages and chambers. An interesting fact is that the world's longest cave system, Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, is a limestone solution cave spanning over 400 miles. Another type of cave is a lava tube, formed by flowing lava that solidifies on the outer edges while molten lava continues to flow within, eventually creating hollow tunnels. The Kazumura Cave in Hawaii is one of the longest lava tube systems globally, stretching over 40 miles. Ice caves, on the other hand, form within glaciers or ice sheets when meltwater carves out passages in the ice, creating a surreal environment of translucent walls and ceilings. The Eisriesenwelt ice cave in Austria is one of the largest ice caves, with chambers reaching heights of over 60 meters. Sea caves carved by the erosive forces of ocean waves often exhibit unique features like sea arches and sea stacks. One notable sea cave is the Blue Grotto in Italy, renowned for its vibrant blue waters and natural rock formations. Additionally, talus caves are formed by the accumulation of fallen rocks at the base of cliffs or mountains, creating sheltered spaces for diverse ecosystems. These caves are often home to specialized species adapted to rocky habitats. The diversity of cave types and environments showcases the dynamic interplay between geological processes and biological adaptations, shaping the hidden worlds beneath our feet. Studying cave biology is not just an academic pursuit. It is a window into a hidden world teeming with unique life forms and evolutionary marvels. Did you know that caves are home to some of the rarest and most specialized species on Earth? In fact, over 100 species of troglobites, organisms adapted to life in caves, have been discovered, with many more waiting to be identified. These troglobites exhibit fascinating adaptations such as elongated appendages, sensory enhancements, and loss of pigmentation, showcasing the incredible diversity of life underground. Furthermore, caves serve as natural laboratories for studying evolutionary processes in isolated environments. The extreme conditions of caves, including perpetual darkness, limited resources, and stable temperatures, create selective pressures that drive rapid evolution and speciation. Scientists have documented instances of convergent evolution in cave-dwelling species from different regions, highlighting the power of natural selection in shaping similar traits in response to similar environmental challenges. Additionally, caves play a crucial role in preserving genetic diversity and serving as refugia for species facing threats in surface habitats. By studying cave biology, researchers gain valuable insights into the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the resilience of life in the face of adversity. The exploration of cave ecosystems not only expands our understanding of biodiversity, but also underscores the importance of conservation efforts to protect these fragile and often overlooked environments. Cave ecosystems, despite their hidden and remote nature, are not immune to threats that jeopardize their delicate balance and unique biodiversity. One of the most pressing threats to cave ecosystems is human disturbance. Activities such as cave exploration, tourism, and development can introduce pollutants, disrupt fragile habitats, and disturb sensitive species. In fact, studies have shown that even minimal human presence in caves can have significant impacts on cave-dwelling organisms and their ecosystems. Another major threat to cave ecosystems is climate change. Rising temperatures and altered precipitation patterns can lead to shifts in cave microclimates, affecting the survival and reproduction of specialized species. Additionally, changes in surface water flow and quality can impact cave ecosystems dependent on groundwater sources. The spread of invasive species poses a significant threat to cave biodiversity. Invasive species introduced into caves can outcompete native species, disrupt food webs, and alter ecosystem dynamics. For example, the introduction of non-native fungi or bacteria can lead to the decline of endemic cave-adapted species. Pollution from surface activities, such as agriculture, mining, and urban development, can also seep into cave systems through groundwater contamination. Chemical pollutants, heavy metals, and organic waste can have detrimental effects on cave-dwelling organisms, leading to population declines and ecosystem degradation. The cumulative impact of these threats poses a serious risk to the fragile and interconnected nature of cave ecosystems. Conservation efforts are crucial to mitigate these threats and protect the unique biodiversity of caves for future generations. Research techniques in cave biology encompass a wide range of specialized methods tailored to the unique challenges of studying underground ecosystems. One of the most common techniques used in cave research is cave mapping, which involves surveying and documenting the intricate passages, chambers, and formations within caves. High-precision mapping tools such as laser rangefinders and 3D scanning technology have revolutionized cave exploration, allowing researchers to create detailed maps of cave systems with unprecedented accuracy. In fact, the world's longest cave system, Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, was mapped using advanced surveying techniques, revealing a labyrinthine network spanning over 400 miles. Another essential research technique in cave biology is speleothem analysis. Speleothems, such as stalactites and stalagmites, are mineral formations that grow in caves over thousands of years. By studying the composition and growth patterns of speleothems, researchers can reconstruct past climate conditions, track environmental changes, and date geological events. Isotope analysis of speleothems has provided valuable insights into ancient climates, including periods of glaciation and interglacial periods. Additionally, genetic analysis is a powerful tool in cave biology research, allowing scientists to study the evolutionary relationships and genetic diversity of cave-dwelling species. DNA sequencing techniques have revealed hidden genetic connections between geographically distant cave populations, shedding light on the dispersal and adaptation of species in isolated environments. For example, genetic studies of cave-dwelling salamanders have uncovered cryptic species complexes and genetic adaptations to cave life. Remote sensing technologies play a crucial role in cave research, enabling scientists to explore inaccessible or hazardous cave environments. Remote-operated vehicles, ROVs, equipped with cameras and sensors can navigate underwater caves, deep pits, and narrow passages, capturing high-resolution images and data without direct human intervention. ROVs have been instrumental in documenting previously unexplored cave systems and discovering new species in remote regions. Ground-penetrating radar, GPR, is another valuable tool in cave biology research, allowing researchers to map subsurface features and detect hidden cave passages without excavation. GPR surveys have revealed hidden chambers, buried cave entrances, and underground water flows, providing valuable information for cave exploration and conservation efforts. The integration of these advanced research techniques in cave biology has transformed our understanding of underground ecosystems and the intricate relationships between geology, biology, and environmental change. Notable discoveries in cave biology have unveiled a treasure trove of unique species and evolutionary adaptations hidden beneath the Earth's surface. One of the most remarkable discoveries in recent years is the identification of a new species of blind catfish in the caves of Brazil. This catfish, scientifically named Phreatobius cisternarum, lacks eyes and pigmentation, showcasing classic adaptations to cave life. Another intriguing find is the existence of a cave-dwelling beetle in Slovenia, known as Leptodyrus hockenwartii. This beetle is a true troglobite, with elongated appendages and reduced eyes, perfectly suited for navigating the dark and humid cave environment. In terms of numbers, over 100 species of troglobites have been documented worldwide, with new species still being discovered in unexplored cave systems. Genetic studies of cave-dwelling organisms have revealed surprising connections between geographically distant populations. For example, research on cave salamanders in North America has shown genetic similarities between populations in different cave systems, suggesting ancient dispersal events and genetic exchange. The exploration of underwater caves has led to the discovery of unique ecosystems teeming with life. In the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, researchers found a submerged cave system known as Sistema Sac Actun, which extends over 200 miles and harbors a diverse community of aquatic species. The study of microbial life in caves has also yielded fascinating insights into the diversity and resilience of microorganisms in extreme environments. Microbial mats, composed of bacteria and archaea, thrive in nutrient-rich cave environments, playing essential roles in nutrient cycling and ecosystem dynamics. Notable discoveries in cave biology continue to expand our knowledge of the hidden worlds beneath our feet and underscore the importance of conservation efforts to protect these fragile ecosystems for future generations. Conservation efforts for cave ecosystems are crucial to safeguard the unique biodiversity and ecological integrity of these hidden worlds. One interesting conservation strategy is the establishment of cave reserves and protected areas to limit human disturbance and preserve sensitive habitats. For example, the Carlsbad Caverns National Park in New Mexico, USA, protects over 100 caves and karst formations, providing a sanctuary for diverse cave-dwelling species. Another notable conservation initiative is the implementation of cave gating systems to restrict access to vulnerable cave entrances and prevent unauthorized entry. These gates not only protect fragile cave ecosystems, but also ensure visitor safety and minimize human impact. In terms of numbers, there are over 1,000 designated cave preserves and protected areas worldwide, covering millions of acres of underground landscapes. These conservation areas serve as refuges for endangered species, critical breeding grounds for cave-adapted organisms, and living laboratories for scientific research. Collaborative efforts between government agencies, conservation organizations, and local communities are essential for the effective management and protection of cave ecosystems. Citizen science programs engage volunteers in monitoring cave conditions, conducting species surveys, and raising awareness about the importance of cave conservation. The Cave Conservancy of the Virginias, for instance, enlists volunteers to assist in cave restoration projects, habitat restoration, and educational outreach programs. Through these grassroots conservation efforts, individuals can make a tangible impact on preserving cave ecosystems for future generations. The success of conservation initiatives relies on public support, advocacy for stronger environmental regulations, and sustainable management practices. By working together to protect and conserve cave ecosystems, we can ensure the continued survival of these unique and irreplaceable underground habitats. The exploration of cave biology has unveiled a hidden world of wonders, from blind catfish in Brazil to troglobite beetles in Slovenia. Over 100 species of troglobites have been documented worldwide, with new discoveries continuing to expand our understanding of cave ecosystems. Genetic studies have revealed surprising connections between geographically distant cave populations, highlighting the complex evolutionary history of cave-dwelling organisms. In the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, the Sistema Sac Actun underwater cave system stretches over 200 miles, harboring a diverse community of aquatic species. Microbial mats in caves play essential roles in nutrient cycling and ecosystem dynamics, showcasing the resilience of microorganisms in extreme environments. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these fragile ecosystems, with over 1,000 designated cave preserves and protected areas worldwide, covering millions of acres of underground landscapes. The Carlsbad Caverns National Park in New Mexico, safeguards over 100 caves and karst formations, providing a sanctuary for diverse cave-dwelling species. Cave gating systems restrict access to vulnerable cave entrances, ensuring visitor safety and minimizing human impact. The Cave Conservancy of the Virginias engages volunteers in cave restoration projects, habitat restoration, and educational outreach programs, empowering individuals to make a tangible impact on cave conservation. Collaborative efforts between government agencies, conservation organizations, and local communities are essential for the effective management and protection of cave ecosystems. Citizen science programs enlist volunteers in monitoring cave conditions, conducting species surveys, and raising awareness about the importance of cave conservation. By working together to protect and conserve cave ecosystems, we can ensure the continued survival of these unique and irreplaceable underground habitats.